Honorable Akol, you're entering a party that is
You guys killed your parties, you have to kill NRM. I think we have to make a case to protect NRM.
Honorable Akol, you've entered the party.
Actually, you're not even a member of NRM, by the way. This NRM has honors. Because the way you're talking is like you are in Lower or Bush War.
I'm just telling you the practice.
And that's why you have not been endorsed.
Honorable.
You know?
Honorable Akol, you're entering
you can
a party that looks like it is at crossroads.
From doing what I think is mine.
What do you think should be the right thing to be done here? Consensus maybe should be built before this happens.
Your statement I'm entering is not a good one. I have entered the party. I came in the party on the 15th of February 2025.
Yeah, and you're welcome.
I have been in the party up to now.
Okay.
That's why I was able to tell you some of the issues in the caucus before the elections. So the election now is different from... Actually, I became NRM when I was in 11th Parliament up to now. You remember that Honorable Uganda raised an issue on the floor of Parliament that Honorable Akol has crossed to NRM. Why are you still displaying him as FDC? So, the fact of the matter is, let us agree that there is problem everywhere. In whatever party you are going to be in, whether it's DP, whether it's FDC, whether it's NRM, NUP, there is a problem. But one thing is very clear that I've made it here, that NRM as a party has managed to contain that cohesion because of that approach. Because of that approach. And to say that this time round there was no discussion is also wrong. Before the caucus came out with that decision, there must have been a discussion in the caucus. You can't say that maybe one or two people sat and wrote the letter. There must have been a discussion whether some people are going to express interest, whether they want people to apply or what. There must have been a discussion. I'm not part of the SEC. But she did not have the opportunity because right now she's not in the SEC.
But they promised that they will come to the caucus where we are. So me, I'm patient.
So they are now coming to the caucus.
Yes.
And I made it very clear. For me, I don't want to say somebody has made a mistake, but the fact of the matter we are saying.
We shall listen.
Whether they are coming to a caucus with other candidates also still coming, the fact is the result is not. And that's why my elder brother, my younger brother Odonga is trying to say, hey, you are wasting time. Why do you do this? And for him, he's thinking it is an opportunity for you to be known to the appointing authority, which to me is also okay. Because they have happened before. What's the problem? Why should my sister, Honorable Wanyoto, gets annoyed when it is said that you are going to be noticed because you are a candidate? Is that wrong?
I'm already known. That's not the reason why.
No, maybe more known. We put it this way.
but you see now, for Otto to tell us how,
please,
even private
don't make that annoying.
You know,
something that
you saw the memo. You. That's your right. Maybe you have access to NRM things for us. We don't.
I have told the
same the signatures are happening. The one of the SG, whatever. That is your space. But for us to have a history. We have a history.
I appeared on NBS. I told my brother Norbert now the same statement, and he did not cry for it. He said, "Well, that's what you think about," because the fact of the matter is, whether Norbert Mao, whether Wanyoto, whether my brother Odria, who also actually wanted to fight me over this, we met at
maybe that's the reason he didn't appear today, because that's
we met at a marriage, yes. And he came to me. You are the whole chairman of WOC. WOC is West Nile, Acholi, Karamoja. How can you endorse somebody from Teso? I said, that is wrong.
That's your right.
That is being primitive. The truth of the matter is,
why are you campaigning?
We have
in a race.
We are not campaigning.
You're campaigning.
You see, it is you, the media, who brought this campaign. Because what you call campaign,
we did not record
debate.
We did not record your messages.
No, it is a media debate that is bringing this campaign.
No, but there was a recording of your voice.
Mine is not a campaign. I am saying
did not record
my candidate is the best. I want others to take her because I was under her. She has served as the best.
You're a member of parliament elect. Why don't you wait until the race comes up in Parliament.
Let us be sincere. You see, there is...
Why don't you wait for the first session of Parliament?
No, what you people think is written down in the rule of procedure is not the practice. Honorable Odonga is here. Honorable Wanyoto is here. Tell me when there was no campaign in any speakership race. We had people who opened offices for campaign.
There's never been a
Just
campaign
behind
like
you here, there was office of Right Honorable Jacob Olanya, may his soul rest in peace. Here, behind you here. Actually, these are not serious candidates. The Norbert Mao, the Wanyoto, we used to have candidates with offices and reaching out to the elected members of parliament, calling you, you come to office, they talk to you, they go to different places.
So those of us who are
What
not
you have-
serious, why are we
what-
even,
what you
why
have
are they
written
saying
down-
we should not even
What you have written down is
It's our
different
right
from
to
what is
express it
practical.
in our own style.
In practice, there has been campaign, except the campaign maybe that the rule is talking about is on the floor of parliament. But in reality, there has been campaign, and the candidates would open offices for their campaign. They have even their agents for campaign.
Have you been under pressure to record this video? Because
No, please. I told you.
you've not even sworn in for the 12th Parliament.
It's even most likely petition.
Can you listen to me? I have made that statement, and I'm going to repeat it again. Nobody has been called under pressure to record a video. If anything, all this is coming because maybe the method of the campaign in the last elections, where the speaker was at the forefront to campaign for the candidates of the NRM, the flag bearers. And because of that excitement, personally, actually 2 days ago, I got calls from members of parliament who wants to be taken to the speaker. We want to reach her. We've not seen her until from the time she campaigned for us. I mean, people are excited because of how they were helped and campaigned for, and it has never happened like that, that a speaker of parliament goes all over Uganda to campaign for the flag bearers.
Doesn't it scare you? And Honorable Wanyoto, I wanted you also answer this. Doesn't it scare you that this is not about how parliament should be organized or as an arm of government, what parliament should do? It's now about the individual and what she did.
You see, what you people don't understand,
Patronage and clientele.
what you people don't understand is the heart of a passion for the country. And that's why people are saying, thank you, you've done wonderful to campaign for us all over the country. We are not saying it is only her. God forbid. It doesn't mean that when she dies tomorrow, there will be no parliament of Uganda. Jacob died and we continued. It is the same thing at home. In any organization, it happens. I have schools where my children were studying and the director died. Life went on. So, don't think it is about individual. But for now, the passion has the heart to make sure that the country is run well. And that's why I'm saying this connotation that there is problem, parliament is fixing what it must stop. There are people who are committed to do whatever it takes to make sure the parliament reaches the people. You remember we were in Gulu. That was a dream that nobody thought about. And the Ugandans were saying, you're wasting money, you're doing what? As if we were getting money from the health sector to take it to Gulu for the parliament sitting, or from education. No, it was a budget of the parliament. Only the venue was shifted to make sure we are with the people. And that shows to you that the leadership we have now are actually willing, and they have the heart to help the country to make sure our parliament will do better. I'm not saying there's no problem. I have made this statement again and again, that there is problem everywhere, in our homes, in the organizations where we come from, in the different arms of government, whether it's judiciary, whether you are talking about the executive arms, and that is where there is leadership always.
Okay.
Otherwise, parliament would have closed after the independence because there would be no problem. And I tell you, there is no way you can tell me that the 12th parliament will solve every problem of Uganda. The problem will remain, and another generation will come to continue it. And that's how life is. In our family, you die, you leave your children to continue, your grandchildren will go on, and there will be problems, they will solve it. For now, we still agree and know there are problems, but yes, we have leaders who are committed, we were willing to go with them to make sure we do better. And that is all. We are comparing ourselves with ourselves yesterday and today. So nobody should think it is me who can solve the problem. It's to me who can fix. You cannot fix problem. It is not possible. Even at NPS where we are seated here, you can't.
Yeah.
You only manage it, and where you can do it, you do it. The rest will come and continue. Where you have stopped, others will come, and that is life. Let's agree with it, and let nobody deceive you that with me there will be no problem. That is a campaign that we do in the villages. And you make people think by electing you there is no poverty.
I think
by electing you education will be fixed, health will be okay. But no,